Hi everyone, happy December 1st. This is Miss Fedino checking in. It will be Wednesday, December 2nd when you see this announcement, and I'm excited to share with you that we have a new challenge for the month of December to boost our participation points. So one of the things that I really think will help boost participation in here is earning extra points for the final grade of the second marking period, which is at the end of January. So for the month of December, we are going to test run and try giving and awarding points to those who enter Zoom, on time of course, and speak up in different ways to earn different amounts of points each class period. Now, we run Zoom classes at least twice a week. So when we do this, it's your opportunity to earn your points in different ways. And if you get to the point mark, which I'll go over in just a second, you will be rewarded with final points for your final marking 2 period grade. Okay, so hopefully this will kind of encourage some of you to really speak up, because if you're on the cusp of a letter grade, it will get you to that next letter grade with the participation point you earn. So this is called the December Challenge. So how do you earn participation points? Obviously, you need to be participating in our Zoom meetings, so we're aware that you're understanding the material and you're not falling short of what we're talking about in class. Okay, so each time you participate on Zoom, I'm going to manually give you points in a notebook and keep track, and that's how you will kind of earn those final points for your marking period 2 grade. So this can be done in different forms, but what we want to do is encourage you to turn your camera on, speaking out loud in Zoom. If I call on you and you answer, if I don't call on you but you speak up, and then obviously the last one is, typing in the chat box and just being involved and understanding the flow of the classroom. I think people enter Zoom but don't necessarily participate, so it's really hard if I can't see you or we can't see you, it's really hard to know if you're truly paying attention. So the December challenge is you are going to have to earn 20 points of participation this month. If you're able to do that, you will earn 2.5 points for your final grade for marking period 2. So for example, if you end the marking period with a 68, you will be boosted up to a 70.5, which could, bring you up a letter grade. So we're also going to run this for the month of January if this goes smoothly, and you might just win 5 whole points for your final grade, and that is a total letter grade. So we want to keep that in mind. So once you earn those 20 points, you will earn 2.5 points for your final grade, and you can earn more points each class by doing the following. So if you turn your camera on and participate once a class, I will automatically give you 2 points off the bat. Every time you use a voice response, I'll give you a point, and if you put it in the chat, I'll give you half a point. So you can do a variation of these. You can just kind of stick to one thing, but think about it. Just by turning your camera on or by speaking out, you're earning more points than putting it in the chat. Okay, if you go over that 20-point mark, which some of you definitely will because we see a lot of participation from students during our Zoom meetings, your extra points are going to be added to different things. Like we might drop the lowest assignment for marking period 2 if that's what you want to do, or add extra credit to other assignments, especially if you did poorly on one or if you missed one. We can extend a due date on an assignment, and if there's a reward that is feasible, obviously reach out and we can help you, and we can add those extra points. So the goal is 20 in the month of December, which I think is definitely doable if you're on Zoom twice a week, but we can do it in award you points in other ways to help some of the other things you're struggling with. So this, I think, is a great challenge, especially since this is the season of giving. What's better than to give extra points to that second marking period at the end of January? So we're going to test run it in December. So we're going to start by doing this presentation. So you'll be watching this for Wednesday. And then when you enter Zoom class on either Thursday or Friday, I will have your names in attendance and I will keep track. And Mr. Mazzio and I, who Mr. Mazzio comes in on second and fifth period classes, will be able to kind of tally those points each class and keep a running total so you can see where you're at. And if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer them. So I think this is a really great way to speak up, for people to kind of redeem themselves from the first marking period and give you an opportunity, or give you that second chance to really finish this marking period strong. There's a lot of different readings we're doing and things where you can totally participate. So watch this video before you start your other assignments and let me know what you think. And yeah, so here's to the December challenge and earning participation points. Have a great day. Bye.